tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Fresh off the golf course. Bruh, I'm on the golf course. J23 hits me with that app. Off-white ones dropped. I didn't see it. I was too busy making birdies. That is really frustrating, but it looks like a lot of people cop. So if you are really interested in this pair, looks like resale will be down lower than what it is for the Chicago's, like not over 2,000. I think these will go under 1,000. Just my prediction. But I haven't done unboxings in a while, so we might as well. I copped these off of, well, I copped these for a friend. Look out for him. Let's just say he's going first round in the draft. But these are flicky flames. I've never seen this pair in hand. Oh my lord, these are beautiful. This is just a nice clean shoe. I really like this shoe. I really like what they did with the bottom. This shoe is fire. 10 cool gray 10s. I don't know if that's their official name, but I know these are fire. Multicolor on the bottom. A crazy Jordan 10. Next, we got a pair that's for a current NBA guy. Size 14, obviously. Let's hope they fit. Jordan 1. I've seen these on foot, and some people pull them off really well, and then other people don't wear them very well. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my pair. It's really iffy. I don't know. It's a clean shoe though. I like the materials. Obviously, I've talked about this shoe before. If you didn't cop, you probably should have. It's just clean. Nice Jordan 1. Nice Jordan 1. And then this next pair is a pair I am super excited about. My personal pair. Oh my lord. And this, depending on how these look, they might be like, I might rock these every day of my life. Like literally. Ultra Boost. The WHITE+MiAdidas. I think it's WHITE+MiAdidas. It's WHITE+MiAdidas. Let's just say that. So it's pretty much Adidas way of customizing shoe. Nike ID, but Adidas. WHITE+MiAdidas. Bro, are you kidding me? Hold on, let's get some of the details on this. Obviously, I had to go with the black Ultra Boost. I mean, with the black boost and the black bottom. Just fire. And then obviously the multicolor on the back with the gold on the boost label. Come on, bro. These are fire. I'm gonna wear these so much, it's gonna be disgusting. This is a beautiful shoe. I did not expect it. It was 200, was it 220? Something like that. It was, but man, if these are still available on WHITE+MiAdidas, you have to go cop. Literally, don't watch this video, go cop. Like, I don't care what you say. This is a must have. A must have. I missed out on it when they did it for the last Ultra Boost, but this one, no chance I'm missing out on this. I love black Ultra Boost. I'm wearing these all the time. But yeah, WHITE+MiAdidas lets you customize it, whatever. But tell me if you copped the random drop Nike did. I love when Nike does it. It brings me back to the old days when you would get a notification, be on the road, get a notification, hey, Yeezy 2 is on the site, and you pull off the road and you have to sit there and try to cop. It just reminds me back in the day, you know, just, you know, old sneakerhead, man, you know. Hold on. See, this is why I gotta start taking both shoes out the box. It comes with a bag. A plain black bag. They could have added like an Adidas logo or something. But we'll take it. We'll take it. Hey, hey. Hold on. Let me see what this should say. Yeah. WHITE+MiAdidas. Go ahead and cop you some of them, man. No games. No games being played. Oh, they came with extra laces too. Yay, I got the same pair of black laces. That's necessary. But who cares? It's a fire shoe. That's it. Unboxing. I haven't done it in a minute. So, let y'all see a little something. But yeah, subscribe. I really want to start a golf channel, but who knows. Subscribe. I hope y'all cop, man. I hope y'all cop Off-White. Let me know. I am buying pairs, so hit me up on Instagram, Marco Polo 2023. And yeah.